And in the near future, I predict in the next 2 to 3 years, people are gonna start getting paid big money to make either weapons within video games or even entire levels, right? So there might be kind of like a master video game that you play, and then within that video game, which would likely be within the metaverse, there are gonna be other mini games that you can purchase. And these are going to be user-generated content. These are gonna be created by people who play the game. And AI is going to make this easier than ever. Now, anyone who's played video games a lot is probably familiar with modded games. So you might be playing Call of Duty or Halo, but you're playing a modded version of it where you can jump really high, or everyone can only use knives, but they have infinite throwing knives, or something along those lines. And in my opinion, this is gonna be more and more common within video games that are going to be played in the metaverse, and even just normal ones as well. Because a lot of the time, these modded games are more fun than the normal game itself. And these companies are gonna start incentivizing people to create the funnest games. So very similar to what Amazon did to incentivize people to create really good products and meet the demand of the market, that same thing is going to happen to the video game industry. Another massive use case for AI generated artwork is going to be 3D printing. So for instance, let's say that you're into cosplay. You like dressing up as your favorite Final Fantasy character, like maybe Cloud from Final Fantasy VII or Yuna from Final Fantasy X.